Hey, once upon a time,
2007,
members of the Hungry March Band
Hungry March Band
had a dinner party
at my house
with a pink puffer
from Rome, Italy.
And that's when Honk NYC was born.
Our festival is the culmination of an East Coast honk tour that begins in Somerville, Massachusetts, goes on to Providence, Rhode Island, and then comes on down to us here in Gotham. This year, we have the Fanfare Invisible from Paris, France, from Boston, Massachusetts, Emperor Norton's Stationary Marching Band. From Chicago, Environmental Encroachment, the only touring band who has played Honk New York City for every year of our festival. And from Marseille, France, the Pompier Pony Club. Featuring one of the Honk Festival founders, Samantha Testinas.
Hi, my name's Samantha. You may recognize me from other brass bands from around the world, namely the Hungry March Band from New York City. Well, I'm not in New York anymore. I'm living here in Marseille. This is my new band. Well, not mine. This is the band that I joined when I moved to Marseille. We're called Le Pompier Pony Club, the Firemen's Pony Club. In order to get this band from Marseille to New York, we need some money.
Please join us on the streets of New York this October 11th through 15th. Please help contribute to our Kickstarter. Make this event the best one yet.
And look at this band right here. Want to see these guys? Money, 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 please, please. And that is what I'm talking about. So please, donate some money. A lot. Cut. Cut. Cut.